Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my BMW that's been sitting here for a while, and I drive it maybe every other 4 months. And this one, of course, this one's been sitting as well. But this is the one I'm gonna show you that this car will not start because it's been sitting here. I drive it maybe last summer. That's it. But as you can see, when I open this door, this window should come down a little bit, but it doesn't. If you can see, no start. And for the reason the battery goes dead because it's been sitting here for a while. Supposedly we have this product here, this Engine Super Starter, and this one will keep your battery charged all the time. You don't have to jump it, and we're gonna see if it works, and we're gonna go ahead and install it to our vehicle. All right, but we can install it here. All right, let's get started. All right, let's go ahead, a quick recap and unboxing of this one. This is the Ancel Engine Super Starter. Let's go ahead and open it. This comes with these clamps. Should be clamping, if you want to clamp it to your vehicle, but we're gonna go ahead and connect it straight up to the battery with these, as you can see. So let's see what it looks like. This is about maybe a foot long, and it has indicator on the side. This is the BS200. Okay, this product supplies robust power upon vehicle startup, facilitating effortless engine ignition. And that's the model number, BS200. Working voltage range, it has to be at least 5 volts. So our battery, even it's like dead, it has to have 5 volts to be able to start. And then this is just showing how, as you can see, 5 volts right here. I think it's pretty straightforward. Okay, there's a few questions and answer in right here, but let's go ahead, just install it real quick. So let's go to our vehicle. Oh, look at this, they just have a snowstorm here, so this is probably really dead. So let's go open the trunk. The battery is back here, as you can see, it's right here. I'm gonna go ahead, let's go ahead and test the battery first. We know that the car doesn't start, but let's go ahead and test the battery. What's the voltage of this one real quick. All right, so I'm gonna bring my multimeter here. Hope y'all can see it, the digital one. There's a glare, so let's go ahead and put it down here. If y'all can see this, make it, there you go. So everything is connected here. Let's go get our positive and negative cable here. So right now we have, well, we're right there, 5 volts, 5.2 volts. So we're gonna go ahead and install this super jumper, and we'll see if it helps it to start the vehicle. All right, so before we actually install it to the vehicle, make sure this is charged up. This is the, when you're first installing it, this right here, there's a C cable here, C connector. So I already charged it. And this one, if it's blinking, it means it's charging, the green one, but now it's fully green steady, that means it's fully charged. So now this is charged up, right? And also we're gonna go ahead download the app. So I'm gonna go ahead download the app real quick and make sure we have that one. There you go. Let's get that download real quick. So once it's downloaded, just go ahead open the app. Let's just go allow, agree, send notification. All right, only while using app. So we're gonna add device once this is connected. All right, let's go ahead, go to the vehicle and install this one. All right, let's go ahead and install this. I'm gonna go ahead start with the positive cable. I already loosened this one, so positive goes here. Make sure it's loosened. And we're gonna tighten this one real quick. Okay. Then we're gonna go to the negative one. My negative is already loosened as well. Not sure if you can see it. Let's move it a little bit here. Right here. Let's go ahead. Go. And let's tighten this real quick. Now make sure they're all tight. And if you see here, this is fully charged. Those are fully charged. And let's go ahead and check these. What's the voltage that we're getting right now? And now we're getting still 5. Okay, right now still getting 5, right? So we're gonna go ahead and connect to our app, and then let's gonna go ahead add device. That's it automatically saw it. Let's just go this is an AGM battery, so we're gonna add it. Sorry about the glare. So right now this is what we have. You can upgrade it. We're not gonna upgrade it, let's do it later. So starter is idle, car battery is low, 0%. Not sure if we can literally jump it right now. Let's see, starter to force start it. There you go. It's saying here battery voltage is below 11 volts. It is recommended to use force start. So let's go behind the car, behind the wheel, okay, real quick. All right, let's go ahead, go behind the wheels and see what we can do here. All right, so from here, it says it has to be battery voltage below 11, so they recommend the force start. Let's go and get ready. All right, so let me see where's the force start here. Let's click that one. Try force start when the car not start. I'm just gonna put it in on position right here. Force start. After clicking force start, start the engine immediately. The sooner the better. If it's still car kind of start, repeat the operation. Okay. As soon as we click it, start the car immediately. So I'm gonna have my brake clutch here, then force start. 10 immediately. See that? Oh man, let's start the car. So within 10 seconds you have to start the car. There you go. So right now that's the battery tracking voltage. Okay, as soon as the car started, my mic got distorted from the vehicle noise. It was a little bit too loud. So from here I was showing the status of the starter itself, the super starter, that there's a 14 volts coming through it, so it's charging, and the temperature of it, of course, and it's 88%. So while the car is running, it charged the super jumper as well, so you don't need to remove it. You can keep in the car. From here, I'm about to turn off the vehicle and try to start it again. I'll show you this.
Car, and we'll see what happens if I'll start again.
All right, it should start. Nope, it doesn't start, so you need to jump again. So let's go ahead, force start, another force start, and then we're gonna make sure you start it right away. So that's not too bad.
I might leave this to this vehicle because this battery's dead. I know. I need to replace the battery. This is for emergency only. If you don't have
Okay, same as well. The car started, and my mic got distorted. From here, I was telling you guys that I know my battery is bad and need to be replaced, and this super jumper is not a replacement for the battery. You still need a good battery. It's a good alternative for emergency like this, but you still need a good battery. You can see, as you can see, this is a almost a dead battery, 5 volts, and having a fully charged super starter helped me get it started. And as you can see, it's a cold weather right here. And all right, guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.